G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's food review time again, and well, today I'm off to McDonald's. They've got a couple of new chicken burgers. They've got a McSpicy and they've got a Parmi Burger. Now, over the next few days I'm going to try both these burgers, but today I thought I'd try the Parmi Burger, see what that's like. I just feel like a nice Parmigiana. So let's go to McDonald's and try the new Parmi Burger to see what it's like. Let's do it. Woo-wee! Yippee-yi-yo! Well, here we go. The new Parmi Burger, and, well, it says that you get like a free drink and fries with this, so it costs $8.90 for the Parmi Burger, fries and a drink. Sounds alright. Let's suss this burger out. Go away! Alright, I'll put the drink here. Just pray it doesn't fall over. Some napkins, you ripper. Get out here, sunshine. Oh, there's my chips. Or as we call them in America, fries. Yeah. And here's the piece of resistance. The new Parmi chicken. Mm-mm. Da 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 da. Looks okay. So let's see what's on this. Well, it's a brioche bun. Did I pronounce that correctly this time? I hope so. Oh, here we go. It's got some Parmi sauce, I'm guessing, and some lettuce. Well, lots of lettuce. Does lettuce go on a Parmi? I don't remember seeing lettuce on a Parmi before. But underneath that lettuce looks like some cheese. Fantastic. And then we got the chicken. Well, it looks like a decent sized piece of chicken. And it looks like bacon on this. Oh, well, that's good. Bit of bacon. I thought it was ham, but, well, it could be ham. Who knows? Looks like bacon. And then there's a few more sauces under there. It's like a cheesy sauce and a more Parmigiana sauce. Let's try some of these sauces. I seem to have accumulated quite a lot of sauce on these fingers. Yeah. Yeah, man, that tastes like a real nice, like, pasta sauce, pretty much, which is the way it should taste. I really feel like getting some chips into me to start with. Quite crispy. Not bad for a change. Now, generally, if you go and get a Parmi, it's got the chicken, and then it's got the ham on top of that with the cheese and the sauce. So this is a bit strange, them putting like the ham or the bacon underneath on the bottom. Let's see if this is ham or bacon. Well, I've used bacon. You don't put bacon on a Parmi. You put ham. McDonald's, don't you know what a Parmi is? Obviously not. I didn't want bacon on this burger, I wanted ham. A Parmi comes with ham. McDonald's! What's this chicken like though? Oh yeah, I had one of the chicken burgers the other day and it was pretty good. So is this. Oh yeah, mama. Look at that beautiful breast. Well, I might as well dive into this bacon and chicken burger, because I tell you what, it's not a Parmi. Let's go. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, that's tasty. Oh, yum. Oh, I'm enjoying that. I don't know if it's the chicken on this or part of the sauce or something, but it's got a really nice flavour about it that tastes like a classic old McDonald's burger. I'm loving the bacon on this too. Whose idea was it to think ham would have been a better idea? Not me. But this, man, this is going down an absolute treat and I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying that Parmi sauce. It's so nice. Now I want McDonald's to do spaghetti with that sauce. I'd buy that. McDonald's spaghetti, Parmi sauce, cheese on top, done. But yeah, I mean, oh man, this burger's tasting so nice. Wow, I'm really enjoying this. Oh. Even with the bacon. Maybe even more with the bacon. Oh man, I could easily smash another one of these. But before I do, wonder what score I'll give it? Out of 10. Well, a burger, fries and a drink for $8.90. Man, that's pretty good. Very good nowadays. This small chips packet was pretty good. The chips were good and, well, it was loaded and it cooked really well for a change. Oh, yeah. And this drink, oh man, I needed that. But this burger is where it's at. It's just got something about it that tastes so good. It's that Parmi sauce on it. It tastes so nice and, man, I'm really enjoying eating this. I mean, the chicken inside is pure breast. It's got lettuce and cheese. I couldn't even taste the cheese, but I'm sure I could. It's just that sauce. And I mean, the bacon on there. You saw me. I wasn't happy with bacon on a Parmi, but now, oh, mate, I'm glad it's there. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this Parmi burger, I'm giving it 9.999999999999999 out of 10. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying this. I only took the 0.00000000009 off because, well, the Parmi doesn't have bacon. It has ham. But, well, anyway, it still turned out for the best, and man, I'm loving this burger. I can't wait to keep smashing it. So that's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow when I try the McSpicy. I'll see you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the